We are on the second day training, 1 week out of my contest. Today here at Gold Gym at Venice. We are working out arms. I really enjoy working out arms because last year was my weakest body part. This year I improved them. The secret or what I learned how to develop them is squeezing and holding the rep, increasing the weight each set. I got good results. I got bigger arms. My veins are thicker this year, and well, I hope the judges notice my balance in my upper body. Difference than last year. We started the workout with preacher curls at the machine. This movement helps me to give a more peak to my biceps. I really enjoy it because the machine lets me to hold the weight and to go slow down. So I like to match that movement. Then I did triceps with cable. I like to work triceps. I'm stronger with triceps instead of biceps, and I think I don't have any problem with my triceps. All my heads are full, and well, I like to work out triceps. Come on. This year we worked very hard to increase my arms. Last year I was missing some balance. My legs were too huge for my upper body, and this year we worked very hard in match my upper body with my legs. So my arms are bigger and shoulders are bigger this year. Then I did French presses and closed bench press for my triceps in order to get more pump. This year, the way I got results with my arms to make them grow up is a very intensive workout without not too much rest and squeezing the muscle, holding the rep, and the result is bigger arms, and my veins are thicker this year. Today I'm almost 8 pounds bigger than last year. All these pounds are added to my upper body in order to get more balance. I hope to do it well on stage. This year, most of the time I stayed here at the United States. I came at January, February, March, April to do my off-season in order to grow up leaner, bigger. I just went back to Mexico to get married. I'm just married and got married and came back. I'm been here about 9 weeks in order to achieve my goal. My goal is to be the first Mexican competing at Olympia stage. Last year I was 6th at my pro debut, then I was 5th at Athletic City. This year, with the improvements I did to my upper body, I hope to be at least 3rd place in order to qualify. I think God decides if I deserve it or I don't. I like this movement because it lets me make the triceps rounder, this side, rounder and better. Well, to finish the triceps workout, we finished with a Charles Glass version of push down. It's in order to get the triceps rounder. I like that movement to finish my workout. And to finish biceps, we finished with 21s, and in order to pump up and to squeeze the fascia. That's it. I'm just missing a couple of workouts on Monday and Tuesday. I think Charles doesn't like to work out legs the last week because he prefers to let the legs rest in order to get ripped and with deeper cuts. So we on Monday and Tuesday I think we are going to do the full upper body circuit, maybe 2 exercises for chest, 2 exercises for back, 2 for shoulders, 2 for biceps, 2 for triceps, and we are going to repeat the same routine on Tuesday. Wednesday I only come to pose and Charles to check me and decide how am I going to carb up and when and how many carbs each day in order to be ready for the contest next weekend on the Detroit John Simmons Pro Show. I hope to see you there. Thank you very much for following my preparation this year. I'm glad to be here at the Goals and be interviewed by MD. Thank you very much for all the audience and to MD and to my trainer Charles Glass.